making a very simple lemon curd. It can be used in a lot of things, for example lemon meringue pie, and you can easily just spread it on toast and it's amazing like that. So the ingredients you'll need are very minimal. You'll need lemon juice, lemon zest, butter, eggs and sugar. Excuse the dog, I'm sorry about it. Can't help filming with dogs. Okay, so we'll add all the ingredients, not all the ingredients, except the butter on the pot. No particular order. And we'll mix this. Keep on mixing so your eggs don't scramble. And let it bubble and it will thicken because of the egg yolks. Okay, so as you can see, the lemon curd has thickened. I'll switch the heat off. And we'll add the butter in. Come on. Yep. And that will melt in because it's hot. So we've added the butter and we're now ready. It is that simple to make lemon curd. I'm going to put this in a jar. You can put it in a bowl or whatever you'd like. Okay, there we go. That is lemon curd ready. And there we go, that is the lemon curd ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep an eye out for next week's video where I'm going to show you a use for this lemon curd. And I hope you liked the video. Hit subscribe and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.